Let me show you how amazing touch automation can be for your automation workflow in Logic. So let's say you have a project like this, and you want to add automation to, let's say, the baseline, this retro synth here. So let's say you want to add automation to the cutoff frequency. So if we open this up here, the retro synth, you want to add automation to this. Okay, like this. Well, of course, with any plugin, you can always go in, open up automation, and then click here and search. The retro synth is the instrument you use. Go to filter and choose cutoff there, and then you will get access to it. But what's an even better way is to use touch automation. So you use this bigger or smaller than sign just to the side of the left shift key on your keyboard. And look what happens here. Read goes to touch. And back again if you click again. So switch between touch and read mode. In touch mode, when you start recording, anything you touch, anything in the user interface that you touch will get recorded. So if you start recording and then move this cutoff frequency, it gets recorded like that, as you can see here. And now that you have it in your sequencer, you can turn off touch automation, bigger and smaller than sign again, that key, and then you can go in and, for example, use the pencil tool to correct this, make another automation, whatever. You have it straight in the lane like that instead of searching for it in here, which can be tedious. So that is how you activate touch automation. Now, what you can also do is switch between region and track automation if you hold down Shift and then the same key, the bigger or smaller than key here, the left Shift button, and then here you can see you switch between track and region automation like that. So you can also use this on insert effect. So if you check this again, opening up the filter here, and you can actually, I think, see it here, automated. But I also have this supercharger, which is a compressor saturated in one. So I want to add saturation. Again, turn on touch automation, the bigger and smaller than key on the left side here. Touch, and then record like this. Like that. Stop there. Turn off. Remember to turn off. Always turn off touch automation when you're not recording new automation. Otherwise, you will create a mess. And now you can see you have the record automation for the supercharger, insert effect, and its saturation value, this knob here. You can see it actually moves here in the interface as well. So you can use touch automation to add automation in any plugin, instrument plugin or insert effect, quickly and easily. And once you have it, it's available in the automation view here, either in the sequencer, and of course you can access it in the piano roll editor as well. And here's a bonus tip in case you don't know this. When you have several automation lanes on one track, so in this case we recorded the cutoff frequency of the synth as well as the supercharger saturation knob here, you can quickly switch between these automation lanes either in the sequencer or in the piano roll by using the key command plus Y. And check what happens. Command Y is flowing through all the lanes that are activated on this track. So note velocity, cutoff frequency. For some reason I have the resonance here. So in case you don't want that automation, you can hold the Option key, double click on this note or point here, and then delete it. So now it's gone. But Command Y is browsing through all the automation lanes you have added or used automation on. And this is a great way to just go through whatever you want to change the note velocity, Command Y to get to it. Oops, like that. So here you have it. The next one here is cutoff. There is the actual retro synth cutoff. There's the supercharger saturation knob, and back to note velocity. Now choose which video you are going to watch next, or you can check out the amazing bonuses in the video description.